welcome back to my channel. My name is Nurmay and welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be the review of one of the best eyeshadow palettes. It's affordable and it provides a wide range of colors. So if you want to know all the details, keep watching till the end. Also, do not forget to hit like, share and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below so that I can listen from you guys. Now let's not waste any more time and quickly get into the video, shall we? So we all love makeup, and since wedding season is around the corner, we want to get dolled up, look pretty and all of that stuff. But when it comes to eyeshadow palettes, we become a little choosy because of the price and the color scheme, or the variety you can say. A lot of brands mostly promote nude colors, but sometimes we all want to look bold and bright. So even if you find a brand that provides a good color scheme, it might be a little over the budget. So I have brought to you this amazing palette that provides a wide range of colors and also is affordable. Now the best thing I like about Swiss Beauty is that they provide a wide range of colors and they create the best dupes for Makeup Revolution palettes. This palette is called Swiss Beauty HD Professional Eyeshadow and it has 40 colors. If you can see, it's written over here. To be honest, I am obsessed with Makeup Revolution, which is exactly why I love this palette, because it has similar shades in half the price. I mean, just look at this palette. Let me just open it for you. It comes with this rose gold packaging, which is beautiful. It has transparent lid over here, and this is what the palette looks like. Look at the colors, they are so beautiful and bold. Ow, really sorry, I'm a little messy all the time. So, and don't mind all these pans I created, I used it a lot now, so yeah. So these are the colors and they are beautiful. You've got reds, you've got oranges, you get the blues, greens, shimmer shades, matte shades and everything that you're looking for. So I was honestly bored with all the nudes and brown colors and I thought, why not go for something bright and bold? So I am totally in love with this palette. Now talking about this palette, you are provided with 40 shades and the best thing is that it has covered literally all the tones. It has dark colors, bright colors, light colors and everything. I will just swatch it for you guys so that you can get a better idea of how pigmented this actually is. Swatched like almost all of the colors, not all of the colors but almost all the colors, and you can see these are a lot of shades and they are so pigmented. Like how pretty does this look? So we have 6 to 7 matte shades and the remaining are the shimmers. Also you get a glitter shade over here which is so beautiful. Like this is such a beautiful shade. Let me just swatch it. Can you see it? So pretty. And the best thing about it is that it has so many colors and all of them are super pigmented. It's like you've got each color for each outfit, like almost every color for each outfit that you've got. Now with this palette you can easily create a smoky eye or a cut crease or a dual eyeshadow or any look, almost like any look you can create. And I got it from Amazon. I ordered it from Amazon. You can also order it from Nykaa. I have mentioned the link in the description box below, so do not forget to check them out. Let me move on to the most important part, that is the price of this palette. Now this palette retails for $999, but I have got it on Amazon for just ₹579, which is exactly why I bought this palette. I mean, 40 shades, 40 vibrant shades for just ₹600 is is that even possible? Like, this palette has made my dreams come true, like literally my dreams come true. Now, although Swiss Beauty is a drugstore brand and I know that, but it's as good as the Makeup Revolution palette. I mean, there is no compromising in quality whatsoever. Now, honestly, when I ordered it, I wasn't really sure what to expect, but as soon as it reached me, I was literally like speechless, to be honest. I instantly fell in love with this palette. It is so handy and lightweight that you can literally carry it anywhere. Now, honestly, one thing I did not like about this palette, or you can say I wasn't happy about this palette, is that it does not have any transition shade, which is probably a tiniest con about it. But other than that, it's perfect. It's a perfect palette. Now let's quickly move on to the pros and cons. Now, talking about the pros of this palette, it has 40 shades with a wide variety of colors. Also, it's affordable, it's highly pigmented, and it has highlighting shades as well. You get 4 to 5 highlighting shades, which is amazing for a palette like this, a palette so affordable. Also, you've got matte as well as shimmers in it. It's not like there's something incomplete. It has shimmers, it has mattes, it has a glitter shade, which is amazing for such a palette. Talking about the cons, there are a few cons in this palette. It's not perfect at all. There's nothing perfect in the world. But the cons are that there are very few matte shades. Like, there are 6 to 7 matte shades only. So the comparison is like remaining all are shimmers and only 6 to 7 mattes, which is kind of a con for me. Also, there is no transition shade, so your eyeshadows are incomplete without a transition shade. So you have to have a brown transition shade to complete the eye look, but it doesn't provide you with that, so that could be a con. Also, the con is like it does not have a mirror. So if you carry it somewhere, you have to carry a mirror with yourself, unlike the Makeup Revolution palette. So honestly, I'm in love with this palette. It's a beautiful palette. It's got 40 colors with a good quantity, and everything is written behind, like the shade number is also written. Also, the ingredients in the palette are written. And it's a beautiful palette. It's highly pigmented, which is like the great thing about it, I feel, because pigmentation is must, and it's affordable. Let's not forget that. And talking about affordable, I've also done a video on top 10 affordable lipsticks. I will put it somewhere here, so just click on that so you'll get to know that as well. So if you're looking for a palette that has a good color scheme, I would suggest you go for this. If you're on a restricted budget, you can opt for this palette. And if you're ordering it from Amazon, you get it for ₹600, which is amazing. Like, the original price is 999, but you get it for 600. That is almost 400 rupees off. And I did not face any problems with Amazon's packaging. It came in like 10 layers of bubble wrap, so it was good. Not a single pan was broken or distorted whatsoever. So if you haven't noticed yet, I have created this look from the very same palette. If you want to see how I did it, then do not forget to check my IGTV video. I hope you liked the video, and if you do, then please don't forget to hit like, subscribe to my channel, comment down below what all videos you want me to make. And if you are new to my channel, then I am Runmai. I create beauty, fashion, lifestyle and vlogs on every Monday and Friday at 11 AM. I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.
It's not a game, it's a